Welcome to our channel. We're excited to have you here as we dive into the world of woodworking and DIY home decor. In today's video, we'll explore some amazing wooden projects that are not only stylish but also functional, perfect for beautifying your space and potentially earning some extra cash. If you enjoy our content, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And make sure to stay with us until the end of the video for some bonus tips and ideas that you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Wooden projects have long been a staple in home decor, combining natural beauty with versatility. The appeal of wood lies not only in its aesthetic qualities, but also in its durability and sustainability. As more homeowners seek unique, handcrafted items, the potential for creating stylish wooden projects has never been greater. This video delves into various wooden decor projects that can transform your living space while also serving as lucrative business opportunities. Market demand for wooden decor. The current market is witnessing a significant shift towards artisanal and handcrafted products, with consumers increasingly valuing quality over quantity. The rise of social media platforms has further fueled this trend, allowing artisans to showcase their work and connect directly with buyers. Market research indicates a growing preference for sustainable and locally sourced materials, making wooden projects particularly appealing. Understanding this demand is crucial for tailoring your offerings to meet consumer expectations and tapping into a lucrative niche. Functional decor, a two-in-one solution. The concept of functional decor emphasizes the importance of practicality without sacrificing style. Projects like floating shelves, custom furniture, and innovative storage solutions can serve dual purposes, enhancing both the utility and aesthetic of a space. For instance, a well-designed coffee table can act as both a centerpiece and a storage unit. By focusing on multifunctional designs, you can attract a broader audience looking for solutions that maximize space while adding a touch of elegance to their homes. Customization as a selling point. Customization is a powerful driver in the woodworking market. Offering personalized options, such as engravings, bespoke dimensions, or choice of finishes, allows customers to create pieces that reflect their individual tastes. This not only increases customer satisfaction, but also enhances perceived value. Incorporating a customization process into your business model can differentiate you from competitors and foster a loyal customer base, as buyers often return for additional personalized items. Showcasing craftsmanship. The story behind a product can significantly influence a buyer's decision. By highlighting your craftsmanship, the materials used, and the techniques employed, you create a narrative that adds depth to your products. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are excellent for visually showcasing your work process, from selecting wood to the final finish. Engaging storytelling can foster emotional connections with your audience, making them more likely to invest in your creations. Sustainable practices. Sustainability is more than a trend. It's a growing expectation among consumers. By sourcing materials responsibly, such as utilizing reclaimed wood or certified sustainable timber, you not only contribute to environmental preservation, but also appeal to eco-conscious consumers. Highlighting your commitment to sustainable practices in your marketing can enhance your brand image and attract a dedicated customer base that prioritizes ethical consumption. Adapting to trends. The design landscape is continuously evolving, and staying attuned to current trends is vital for success. Popular styles, such as minimalist design, Scandinavian aesthetics, and rustic farmhouse decor, can guide your project choices. Keeping an eye on platforms like house and design blogs can provide insights into what consumers are currently drawn to. By incorporating trending elements into your projects, you can ensure your offerings remain relevant and appealing. Engaging your audience. Building relationships with your customers is essential for long-term success. Engaging with your audience through social media, email newsletters, and community events fosters a sense of belonging. Sharing behind-the-scenes content, tutorials, and customer testimonials can create a vibrant community around your brand. Consider hosting workshops or classes to teach woodworking skills. This not only positions you as an expert, but also strengthens customer loyalty and encourages word-of-mouth marketing. Creating a strong online presence. In an increasingly digital world, A robust online presence is crucial for reaching a wider audience. Establishing an e-commerce platform, whether through your website or on marketplaces like Etsy, allows you to showcase and sell your products effectively. Investing in high-quality photography and engaging product descriptions can significantly enhance the shopping experience, encouraging conversions. Additionally, leveraging SEO strategies can improve your visibility and attract organic traffic to your site. Pricing strategies for profitability. Setting the right price for your wooden projects requires careful consideration of various factors, including material costs, labor, overhead, and market competition. Conducting thorough market research to analyze similar products can help you establish a competitive pricing strategy. Additionally, consider implementing tiered pricing for different levels of customization or exclusivity. Transparent pricing that reflects the quality of your craftsmanship can build trust and encourage purchases. Leveraging customer feedback. Customer feedback is invaluable for continuous improvement and innovation. Actively soliciting reviews and testimonials can provide insights into what resonates with your audience and areas for enhancement. Use this feedback to refine your products and inform future designs. Highlighting positive reviews in your marketing can also serve as powerful social proof, instilling confidence in potential buyers and encouraging them to make a purchase. Exploring wholesale opportunities. As your woodworking business expands, exploring wholesale opportunities can significantly increase your reach. Collaborating with local shops, boutiques, or even larger retailers can introduce your products to new audiences. Offering exclusive designs or bulk discounts can make your items more appealing to retailers. Building strong relationships with these partners can lead to long-term collaborations that benefit both parties. Crafting seasonal items. Seasonal trends present excellent opportunities for diversifying your product line. Creating limited edition items for holidays, such as custom ornaments for Christmas or theme decor for seasonal events, can drive timely sales. By aligning your projects with seasonal themes, you can keep your offerings fresh and relevant, attracting customers looking for unique gifts or decor that reflect the spirit of the season. Building a brand identity. Establishing a strong brand identity is essential for standing out in a competitive market. Your brand should convey a clear message about your values, mission, and what sets you apart. Consistency in branding across all platforms, social media, website, packaging, helps create recognition and trust. Investing in professional branding elements, such as logos and cohesive visual aesthetics, can enhance your brand's appeal and make it memorable to consumers. Long-term growth strategies. For sustained success, consider long-term growth strategies that align with your business vision. This could involve diversifying your product offerings, exploring new markets, or even expanding into related areas, such as workshops or online courses. Continuously innovating and adapting to changing consumer demands will ensure your business remains relevant and profitable. Building a solid foundation now will position you for growth and success in the future. Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your support. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up. It really helps us continue creating content for you. We can't wait to see you in our next video.